What's up, guys? Pandora, the crypto babe, postcard diva. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. I'm back, guys, to talk about, actually to show you proof that this company does pay. All right, these are the two products that I purchased and I have been using them. All right, this is my lifestyle in real life. All right, so the link is in the description. I'm gonna go check this thing out. I actually got started because I was looking at the prices of the products, and I purchased these type of superfoods anyway. So that intrigued me, and therefore I signed up to be an affiliate and the membership, so that I can get a great discount on these prices on these products that I'm already paying a lot of money for. All right, so that's why I got started. Now, I have not been aggressive with this at all. I came out, did some videos for you guys so that you can see this, my honest opinion of it. I purchased the products. I'm using the products. I have no idea in this world how people can join a nutrition company, health and wellness company, and never purchase a product. I mean, how can you tell me something's good if you hadn't tried it, if you don't own the product? I don't understand that, but that's what some people are doing. They're just signing up to be an affiliate to sell the program, to make the commissions. But I actually am using the products, and these are the two that I've tried so far, the Super Greens and the Super Reds, and I will be purchasing the plant-based protein powder because I actually use plant-based protein powder and I can get a good deal with LiveGood. So anyway, that's why I am with this company, because I had no intentions of joining a network marketing company or MLM company. I love affiliate marketing and I love direct sales. Okay, but the way they have it set up, it's only $9.95 a month. You don't have to purchase a product and be on auto ship. Okay, and actually you don't have to purchase any products, because there's a lot of people that are not purchasing products. They're just, again, promoting the program. Okay, so I like that idea. But at any rate, I am here and I want to show you guys that they do pay. Obviously, what's today? Thursday. I received a $25 commission. Okay, as I stated, I haven't been pushing this aggressively. I've just been a consumer of the product and just kind of been doing some videos for you guys. But I had someone that signed up as a member and an affiliate, and I received $20, so I kind of wanted to show you guys that. But what I do want to say is, guys, anything you get into, I know a lot of people are intrigued by, I'm hearing people say, just get in and you're going to make $2,000 a month without doing anything. I don't know how that's possible. Somebody tell me, show me how, because I don't see how it's possible. But anyway, that's, in my opinion, that's not how you make money online. You have to do some work. There's only one space that I've found where you don't have to do any promoting and recruiting, and that's the crypto space. That's totally passive. But you've got to refer people. Okay, you've got to refer people. People have to sign up in order for you to make commissions, unless you sign up under someone, my understanding, that's really killing this game and you're getting a lot of spillover. Otherwise, just signing up and doing nothing, nothing's gonna happen. Okay, and I'll tell you, because I signed up, the person I signed up with is just an average person. They don't market, really, they don't do anything. I just signed up just because I knew them. Okay, so of course I'm not gonna get any spillover, right? I get that, but I'm hearing that people are saying just sign up and you're gonna automatically get these pre-enrollees that's gonna fall under you. I haven't seen it. Okay, so I'm all about promoting. If it's a product, it's a physical product or a digital product, It's affiliate marketing. In order to get commissions, you're going to have to do some work. But one thing about this, it's not hard, really, to be honest with you. If you want to just push it without buying a product, people are just going to pay the $49 and you're going to make $25. You're going to make $20. I mean, $25. Okay. But at any rate, I do like the products. They're not gritty. They mix very well. These two. I make smoothies with them. I've also drank the juice, like orange juice or pineapple juice. They mix well with that. Okay. So great products. So anyway, if you're interested in purchasing some superfoods, some vitamins, I'm going to show you the website because most people are already doing this anyway. But with this, you're able to earn, commissions if people, not because they're buying the products, you're earning if they sign up to be an affiliate. Okay. And if they sign up for the membership, you can sign up for the membership for $9.95 and just be a consumer, and that allows you to get a discount on all the products. But if you pay the $40, you become an affiliate, and if you share your link and someone does that, you make $25 commission. Okay, and they pay every Thursday. All right, so let's take a look at the website, and then I'm gonna show you this proof. I'm gonna let you guys go, and if you're interested in checking this out, link is in the description. All right, hang tight. All right, so I'm in my members area here. As you can see, has my name up here, so you know I'm in my back office. All right, so you can actually order from your back office, guys. As a member, you're gonna get a discount. So they have an array of products, from vitamins, as you can see here, to protein powder, the organic greens, which is what I purchased. They have the super reds. I purchased that. They have magnesium. They have coffee. They have CBD oil. They have CBD oil for pets. Essential amino acids. Okay, I'm familiar with that. Folks that work out, this is good for you. Advanced inflammation management. They have this energy endurance electrolytes, instant youth, ageless skin serum, and then they have bulk packages. If you want to purchase by the bulk, they have that as well. This one seems to be pretty popular here, the Ultimate Wellness Pack. I was considering getting that one. With that one, you get the vitamins, the aminos, the super greens, the super reds, and the plant-based protein and magnesium complex, and the D3K2 2000 vitamins. And look at the price of this, $99 for all this. Okay, for the wellness pack as a member. Of course, if you don't become a member and spend $9.95, that's all you have to spend to be able to get this membership price. Otherwise, it's $149.95. Okay, so some great deals back here, product packages. So then they have the lean body pack. Okay, where you get 2 of the plant-based proteins, the vitamins, aminos, the magnesium, and the D3K2 vitamins. You can get that one for $89.95 as a member, or $119 as retail price. All right, so skincare, a little bit of everything. Now here's something they call the everything pack. Let's check it out. The everything pack is $299 as a member. Otherwise, the retail cost is $449.95. So they've got some great deals on their products here. The cost is very low because the affiliates aren't getting paid to sell the products. Okay, so that helps keep the price low. All right, then they have this energy pack. Now this may be a good one. Let's take a look at this one. $69.95. You get the greens, the reds, organic coffee. Now personally, I have my own favorite coffee I've been drinking for years and years. So I'm not sure if the coffee is going to be the thing for me. But these 3 sounds great. Then they have some swag and accessories. Shirts, a shaker, hats. Okay. So You can order directly from your back office, okay? And it was fast shipment. I ordered like on a Tuesday, on a Saturday I had my package, and it came priority mail. Okay, so they have fast delivery. All right, so if you're interested in this, guys, again, $9.95 just to be a member so that you can take advantage of the low cost, or $40, the two together is $49.95. $40 will allow you to be an affiliate and receive $25 commissions, guys. $25 a pop. Not bad. And they pay you every Thursday. So let me show you that I did receive a payment from LiveGood. So we come over here to earnings. Okay. Like I said, I haven't been aggressive with this. I'm going to just put it out here. Right here, $25. 23rd. There it is. Now, and it showed up in my email today. Hang on a second. Okay, they notified me last week that I received, they received an order. It says, LiveGood Team, congratulations, Pandora. This person placed an order. Congratulations, one of your referrals joined. Okay, so that was on the 16th. So they're on point with that. That was a week ago, right? And then as you can see today at 4:56 p.m. it says a deposit of $25 was posted. All right, so that's what that came from. All right, so they absolutely do pay every Thursday, just like they said. So if you guys want to check this thing out, the link is in the description. I have set up, because I'm going to run some traffic to this funnel that I have. I'm going to do that probably next week, and the link is in the description so you can check it out. Let me show you one of the pages I'm looking at running traffic to. Okay, this is one of the pages I'm going to be using to run traffic to. If I can move this over, give me a second. Right here. Don't wait another moment. Make $197 per week part-time starting this week. So I'm going to use this page. Okay. And if you sign up and you're interested in the share code for this, I will give you that when you sign up with me in LiveGood. Okay. And that's how I'm going to do it. I'm going to run cold traffic to this thing. And that's it. But want to just show you guys the proof that they do pay. And I haven't even been promoting it really aggressively, but I will run some traffic to this system and see what type of results I can get with this thing, guys. So if you're ready to get started with me in LiveGood, start earning these $25 commissions. Okay, don't focus on just joining a program and not doing anything. This is an active program. This is not a program that you can just sit and do nothing. Okay, but I think it has great potential if you put the work in. Like I said, I'm going to run traffic, so if you're interested in starting with me, I'll give you my funnel, and that way you can do the same, and I will give you my traffic resources. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button for me, and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.